I remember I was with one of our teachers, Habib Ubaidullah Al-Attas from Mecca. And this is actually in Mississauga, in Toronto. And he gave this khutbah at a masjid, and he's, a visiting scholar from Mecca al-Mukarramah, this beautiful man from the city of the Prophet ﷺ, a descendant of the Prophet ﷺ, and it was a beautiful khutbah. When they were introducing him, they mentioned some of his teachers and so forth, and someone in the crowd was just like, oh, these people are Sufis. Dun, 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 and it was just like, here we go, right? And a lot of it is, and if you're a person who's heard this word in a negative connotation, please feel free to come and talk to us. We'll clarify. I remember someone said it to me. He's like, hey man, people are saying he like looked around, like it was like the worst word in the world, Sufi. And I was like, okay. And he was like, no man, you're meant to be more offended. Like you should be. I was like, what does that mean to you? It's like people who worship graves and stuff. I'm like, I don't worship graves, so I'm not worried about it. But a lot of people, they have this negative connotation when they hear that. Anyway, so there was someone in the crowd there who, as soon as he heard who he had studied with, he's like, oh, these are some Sufis, man. So he came up and he was like, please tell everyone in the masjid that this person's a Sufi and these are bad people. I was like, A'udhu billahi min shaitan rajim. This is a fellow Muslim from Mecca al-Mukarramah. He's a visit. Just have the basic decency to say, thank you very much for coming. Wassalam. And then someone else came up to him. He was like, what are you doing about the king over there and what's going on politically and this, that, the other? And are you speaking out? And then he said to him, he said, Akhi, this is like politics. That's better if we talk about it outside of the masjid. Let's talk about Allah and His Messenger here in the masjid. And then the man just kept kind of berating him. I'm like, this person's a guest. Like, what's wrong with you people? And I was so upset at how they had mistreated him. And he saw that I was, visibly bothered. He said, what's wrong? I'm like, Habib, look how they're talking to you. People coming up to you as if you're responsible for what's going on in Saudi Arabia. Or people say like, and he was like, the Prophet ﷺ went through much worse. He was totally cool. Like he was not bothered in the least. He said, the Prophet ﷺ went through much worse. Like what? Don't sweat it. And it was like, I'm trying to learn how to have that character that comes much more naturally to you. And as Imam Al-Ghazali says, that's real good character. There might be someone who gives a lot of money, so people say he's generous, but he's not actually generous. And there might be someone who is generous of spirit who has nothing to give, but they're actually a generous person. That's real good character.